Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tour Reviews, and today you guys saw this in my, sorry, I'm trying to get my light right here. You guys saw this in my unboxing, my little unboxing haul. If you didn't see that, you can check out that video. I'll probably link to it below. This is from Go Selly. It's an Amazon marketplace. They do like K-beauty products. This is a, their Glam Up. It's like, and by the way, I'm sorry it's crooked. I set up this little thing for my camera in the bathroom so that I can actually do this. And the light's wrong, it's all wrong, everything's wrong. Anyway, we're gonna try though. Okay, so this includes, I think, 12 sheet masks. It's their Glow Up sheet mask set. There's a sheet mask for every skin type. We're gonna unbox all of them together. I don't know exactly what's in here, and then I'm gonna apply one that I would choose for myself. All right, so this is $16.90 for the whole thing. This came like quick. And here's how it comes. Isn't this so cool? It's their own. This is from Go Selly. They do sell a bunch of different items on there, like the Eliza Becca, that bubble mask, the black mask, the the peel off mask. But this is their own brand, and it does say on the back Go Selly. So let's open it. I'm so excited. Ooh, this is resealable. Oh. So here they all are. It's like magic. I just like love it. I am loving it. All right. I don't have anything on my skin today, so I just wish the light was just a little better. I have to stand back here, yeah. Okay. So first we have, we're gonna go through all of them. So our first one is Revitalizing Sake, and that enhances radiance. Ooh. Apply after cleansing, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes before removing. So there is that. Ooh, 3 layered sheets allowing deep moisture grip. Sake concentrates, soothes, and softens skin, and that's the orange one. So that's really nice. So enhanced radiance. Then we've got Radiant Tomato. This is skin brightening. This tomato extract assists in clearer complexion, and this has the same like instructions for usage. I like how small these are. You can kind of tuck it in somewhere. They're easier to put in your drawers and whatnot, because some of those packages are huge and they get like curled over in my drawer or what, you know what I'm saying. You know what I mean? Then we've got Moisturizing Avocado. I might actually use this one because I have, we all know, dry skin. I also have sensitive skin. All right, so avocado extract offers intense nutrition to the skin while relieving sensitive zones. Ooh, I like that. So then this one is Firming Pomegranate. This has a barrier function. So this also, but this one has wrinkle care, the avocado. Pomegranate essence firms skin. Ooh. And I will link down below so you can buy this if you want with my affiliate link. Soothing aloe texture refinement. This has natural aloe extracts, soothes dry skin, and provides intense hydration. Ooh, that might actually be a nice one. Refreshing green tea. This has wrinkle resistance, and green tea extract soothes the face, calming any skin irritations. This might be a good one for me too. I'm gonna be torn. And by the way, if you guys aren't following me, I post so many sheet mask pictures on Instagram, like in the stories and stuff. You guys need to be following me on there though, and I will link to my Instagram, because Instagram is a stinkeroni, and if you don't like or engage, or they now won't show you my pictures or anything on my Instagram. So please go over there, give me a like, follow, whatever. All right, then we've got Rejuvenating Tea Tree. This soothes skin damage. I love tea tree. This is like one of my favorite things. Leaves skin feeling smooth and refreshed. It does, like, it's great for acne, like spot treatments, but I really want to do the moisture today. Claryfying Oatmeal. This protects and stabilizes. Oatmeal properties keep skin soft and smooth, preventing wrinkles and acne. We're not going to do that one though. All right, Nourishing Acai Berry. This is for dewy skin. I've never used acai berry on my face before. Concentrates, tightens, and firms skin. These are so much fun. Isn't this so much fun? All right, Refreshing Peppermint. This is skin purifying. Peppermint components clears blackheads and minimizes the appearance of pores. Ooh, this might be nice right before you apply like a full face of makeup before you go out, to kind of give you that taut. My throat is like, ugh. All right, Nourishing Shea Butter. This is intense moisture. Shea butter provides natural moisture and nourishment to skin. Does my voice sound crackly? It feels like it sounds crackly. And then finally in our set, we have Brightening Lemon. This is a vitamin surge. Lemon extract helps brighten skin. So we're not going to do these, but we did go through, I will eventually do them, but not today. I feel like I want to do one that is most aligned to my skin type. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch on, monkey. It's you. It's the refreshing green tea. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to do this together. Who knows what's going to happen. Hopefully some magic. All right. I hope you can see me. Here I am. Look at my shower cap. Isn't it cool? And that light switch there was left by the previous owners. And because they were awesome people, they epoxied it to the wall and we can't take it off. So, or we'll rip out the wall. So that's going to be a project at some point. So here we go. Let's see. And thanks to Jan. This was your idea, Jan. I took it into consideration. She said to apply the mask on camera, and I was like, ooh, that's a really great idea. I just need to have a spot to do it, you know? Now, I did wash my skin. I did wash my face like an hour ago. So I'm not going to wash it again, you know? Okay. But you should always wash your face prior to applying a sheet mask, just so your pores are open and stuff like that. And receptive. All right. Ooh, it smells really good. Like, not like a perfume, but like natural stuff. Oh, it's so relaxing. Aren't they so nice? I love sheet masks. So this is a great set. Oh, I'm gonna rinse my hands off. It's a great set. I feel weird talking. It's a great set, like, if you just want to get a whole bunch of different ones and try out the ones you like. And it's pretty inexpensive. I mean, we get 12. So that's what, $16.90? That averages out to about $1. Less than $1.50 each. So it's a really good deal, right? I'd have to do the math, though. So I'm going to leave this on. I'm going to let you guys go. I'm not going to make you watch me do this. I really like this. I think it's cool. I like Go Selly, too. Oh, they have tons of products. I just knocked something on the floor. If you could see the mess I have here, all like makeup and stuff. I will link to them. Every time I talk, I feel like it's going to fall off. I will link to them below. I will also link to my full review so you can check it out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!